Hello everyone, and welcome to Make Money Online Fast. Today we'll tell you how you can earn money just by copy pasting. So without further ado, let's start. What does it mean by copy and paste jobs? These are the kinds of jobs where you will have to copy and paste information. Data can be shown in many different ways, such as pictures, words, spreadsheets, and many more. There may be numbers, letters, words, and other things in the text you need to copy and paste. But putting all of this information together is hard and takes a lot of time. You will be given a deadline for these copy and paste posts, so you'll need to be able to work quickly enough to finish that within the time allotted. Your word per minute goal should be around 50 and 60. Some examples of these jobs are, number 1, Google Careers. Google is the most open and honest platform, and users can be sure that they can trust it because it is the most popular search engine, isn't it? We put the Google Careers page at the top of our list because of this. You only need to do a search for the kind of work you want to find. For example, in the search bar, type top-rated online copy and paste job sites. After that, choose the role, then choose the location, and then click on the search button. You will be given a list of job sites where you will need to copy and paste. Check out all the results, pick the ones that meet your requirements, and then go to the website to apply for the copy and paste job. It is the best way to get results after comparing all of the reliable and real websites based on things like testimonials, brand image, customer reviews, and other similar criteria. Number 2, LinkedIn Jobs. LinkedIn is one of the most trustworthy social networking sites. Millions of people use it to look for jobs that match their education, experience, and career goals. It is a free job site that people in India can use. It has helped thousands of businesses find new workers and given freelancers jobs like data entry and copy and pasting. The site has both long-term and short-term opportunities for copy and paste work. All you have to do is find the job of your dreams and create an account on this amazing website to start looking. You can send people an invitation to connect with them if you think they deserve it. You can even start looking for a job right away on this platform by going to the jobs section of the dashboard and searching there. You can use the filter for the industry you want to work in, which shows you the jobs in that field. Number 3, Upwork. Upwork is one of the most popular websites in India because it is one of the most reliable sites and helps thousands of people make money every day. The platform is a great place for independent contractors to do business. Also, this is a good choice for a lot of people who want a side job for the long term but don't want to quit their full-time job. After you create a free account on the platform, you may have to pay a fee if you want to apply for more than one job. You need to have connects if you want to apply for any of the jobs on this site. Depending on the work and how much it pays, the connects can be turned in for different rewards. Usually, you need between 3 and 4 connections to get any kind of temporary job. The good thing is that you get free connects every month, so you can still apply to new copy and paste companies and others even if you've used up all of your connects and don't want to pay more money to get more. The more hours you work, the more money you'll bring home. Number 4, People Per Hour. People Per Hour is an online platform run by a company in the UK that helps people all over the world find work-from-home jobs that match their skills. It is one of the best websites for freelance work, and most people know it for writing and translating jobs. Even though there are copy and paste jobs there, they are easy to get and pay well. You will get 15 free proposals every month. With those proposals, you can apply for the jobs and get the key to making a steady monthly income. You can make between 1 and 2,000 rupees per day on the lucrative platform depending on the type of work you want and how good you are at it. If you're lucky enough to be chosen, you can apply for any job you want without having to pay anything. As the recruiting team goes through the screening process, they only let new accounts sign up if they meet certain criteria. You can be chosen to sign up for People Per Hour if your account meets their requirements. If you don't, you might get turned down and you'd have to use a different platform to find copy and paste jobs like them. Before applying for jobs on this platform, you should make a detailed portfolio to improve your chances of getting hired. Number 5, Freelancer. Freelancers is a company based in Sydney that's been around since 2009. It is thought to be one of the most successful job seeker-focused marketplaces. It is a global network based on crowdsourcing that helps thousands of people find jobs like copy and pasting data or entering data. The site is best known for letting people make a lot of money online, and it can be used as an alternative to Upwork. The best thing about it is that people who want to find copy and paste jobs can do so for free. Freelancer will give you 6 free bids every month, and each bid can be used to apply for one job. That means that if you have 6 bids, you can apply for 6 different jobs. You can send in applications for more than one job, but you will need to buy a membership before you can make more bids. Number 6. Fiverr. By doing the tasks that come with the copy and paste jobs on Fiverr, you have the chance to make a decent amount of money every month. Compared to other platforms that verify sellers, Fiverr's selection process is quick, which is one of its best features. Creating a gig is the first step toward getting work offers from clients. If they think your gig is interesting, they will probably send you a work proposal. It all depends on how you presented your gig on the site. You could even tell your friends or other people you know about your gig and ask them to spread the word so you can find a better job soon. On Fiverr, a lot of people are looking for freelancers who can do copy and paste work. So, learn about this great site and make yourself a gig that people will want to see. You can even find out how to make the best Fiverr gig right from your account dashboard. It will tell you what to do in the best way possible. Number 7. FlexJobs. FlexJobs is another good website that can help you find online copy and paste jobs that don't require you to spend money every day. FlexJobs is the place to go if you want freelance work, flexible hours, or tasks that you can do from home. Also, it will give you the chance to work with well-known companies like Apple, Dell, Microsoft, Salesforce, PwC, and many others. In spite of the fact that it's free, you can upgrade to its premium version if you want to apply for more than one job. If you want to buy a subscription to it, you'll have to pay $24.95 every month. The platform has a dedicated customer service team and gives all users 30 days to get their money back if they aren't happy with it. The best thing about the platform is this. That's really cool. Number 8. Megatypers. Megatypers is not a place where freelancers find work. Instead, it is a place where tens of thousands of people in India can find good jobs, brands, and government organizations that offer good pay. This platform is perfect for you if you want to make money online by doing copy and paste work. On this site, you can find copy and paste and data entry jobs that are already done. The best part is that you will get paid on time as soon as the month is over. The money is sent via UPI or directly into bank accounts in the first week of the following month. Most likely to use this platform are students who want to make a living and pay for their daily needs. That's it for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and have your mind set on getting a job at one of these sites. Best of luck for that. Before you go, leave a link and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.